Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you're new to my channel, and welcome to Beauty with a Purpose. Also, if you're new to my channel, I do everything on this channel. Some people create 2 different channels. I didn't want to do all that. So I have vlogs, I have Bible studies, I have Bible teachings, I have just Christian based content, as well as some beauty videos. And so this one right here is my mommy makeup look. As you can see, it's not full coverage. All it did was pretty much add color to my skin because I have a lot of freckles. So yeah, I have freckles, I have acne scarring like right here and on this cheek. And yeah, so this is just my mommy makeup look when I gotta go, like shoot out the door within 5 minutes, go. And so if you want to see just how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
So you guys already know I'm starting out with primer, and I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Prime primer. Also, as well as my Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I'm trying out this Rimmel Insta Flawless Skin Tint in medium and dark, and I actually really like it. The first time I used it, I guess because I used a beauty sponge, I didn't really like it. But also this day I used a brush because brushes are your best friend when you're in a hurry. You don't have to worry about the blending. You don't have to worry about if it's getting in blended right. Like, brushes just make everything so much faster. And I just went in with an oval brush that's really, really densely packed. And so that way there's no brush strokes or anything like that. I'm just taking that on my ears and down my neck. And like I said, this is just a skin tint, so it's not a lot of coverage. So I went in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal to go ahead and kind of conceal my under eyes and just add a little bit more coverage on my T-zone where I have a lot of redness or bumps and bumps. And I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Techniques Duo Fiber brush. And I don't know the name of this brush, but I really like it for blending out concealer. Like, it doesn't leave brush strokes or anything like that. And it doesn't absorb too much product. So I actually liked how this blended out my concealer. Then I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to set everything that I put down with that powder. And the good thing is that Insta Flawless Skin Tint still looked pretty and dewy on my skin, even with the setting powder going on top of it. I have some foundations where if I set it with that powder, it loses its dewiness. So I'm not going to do too much to my eyebrows. I just went in with this tinted brow gel by Essence in Blondie Brows. And I'm just putting my eyebrows in place, and please excuse them because I do need to shape them and get them together. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I do not know why I always forget the name of this mascara, but I'm just applying a couple coats to my top and bottom lashes. Next, I went in with this Beauty Insight bronzer. I really like this bronzer. It's really good for contouring, and that's what I should have done, is contoured with this, but instead I took it with a big old fluffy brush. And so then I ended up having to go in with my number 7 bronzer and get the effect that I really wanted of being bronzed. So right here, I'm still using the Beauty Insight bronzer. And like I said, just didn't give me the effect that I wanted. So now I'm going in with the number 7 bronzer in Maple. And it's just adding that really bronze look to my skin. And you can definitely tell the difference in the color that it added as compared to the Beauty Insight one. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Golden Flower Crown, just highlighting some of the high points of my cheek. Look at Ethan, you guys. Like, I did not realize that till I went to edit and watch this back. And yeah, and so I don't put on blush on these days just because it's like it's a step you can skip whenever you already add a color with the bronzer and just some highlight. And then I go in and curl my lashes one last time just to hold the curl. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Maybelline Natural Finish setting spray. And then setting it all in place with my sponge. I just sprayed my sponge with a little bit of that spray. And then I like to go in and put my brows back in place. And guys, this is another mommy tip, is like, if you can find you like 2 or 3 good hairstyles that you can just do in like 2 to 3 minutes. Like it's awesome. Like it'll be a very good thing whenever you're in a time crunch, and that's what I do. I have 2 or 3 hairstyles, and especially when it's straightened, like I spend 30 minutes one day to have easy hairdos for a week. And that is it for this video, you guys. Remember, I love you, but Jesus always loves you more. Just try to cast your cares on him. He cares for you. And I will see you guys next time. Please subscribe.